Okay, so this is a demonstration of how you do this factorising of a trinomial in my new way, which is quicker. So the first things you do are the same as before. So you're going to go product, sum, and factors. So your product you get from multiplying the 4 with the negative 15. So I'm just going to set it up over here. 4 times 15. I know it's negative. And then, so that's a negative 60. Then my sum is a minus 7, and the factors I need to figure out. So why did I set this up over here? Because I'm going to complete a factor tree. That'll help me try and figure out the two numbers. So the 4 can go down to 2 and 2. The 15 can go down to 3 and 5. Now it's a matter of doing combinations of these numbers to see if I can get 7 out of it. So 15 and 4 is no good. That's only going to give me either a 19 or an 11. So that I'll throw that out. Let's have a look at, oh look, here we go. See if I put those 3 together. 4 3s are 12 and this one's 5, and I can get a 7 out of that. Because if I go minus 12 and 5, I wanted a minus 7. See this minus 7 here? I'm going to get it from these two. Alright, so that works because minus 12 times 5 is going to give me minus 60, and minus 12 plus 5 is going to give me minus 7. So my numbers are minus 12 and 5. Cool. All that's the same as what you've already done. So what's different? In my method, it's not particularly mine, but the one I'm going to use, you just do your 2 brackets as per usual, but instead of putting just h here and h here like you would have for a trinomial that's a simple one, I'm actually going to put the 4 there and the 4 there, make them the same. But you'll notice that if I multiply those two together, I'm not going to get 4h squared. I'm going to get 16h squared. I kind of overshot the runway, if you like. So I'm going to now divide through by 4 to undo that. And this is what you do every time. You put this 4h there, that 4h there, and then go ahead and divide by 4. Now these numbers that we've just picked up over here, let me get a different colour, the green I reckon. See those two numbers? They're going to go in here and here, like we've done on the simple ones. So I'm going to put a minus 12 there and a plus 5 there. Okay, so that looks a bit of a mess. So let me just rewrite it without all the highlighting. There's my first bracket, my second bracket, and that's over 4. That 4 on the bottom's not real good, is it? So let's divide through by 4. How do I do that? Well, I'm going to pull out a factor of 4 out of this first bracket. So let's do that. Right, let's get rid of that line there. So I factorised a 4 on the top line. So that's handy because look, bang, bang, they're gone. And that gives me my answer. Right, now you can actually get that answer really quickly once you've got the hang of it. I think it's actually quicker than what you've been doing when you split the middle term, but I won't force you. Okay.